Meaning of flotsam.
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 Flotsam. Flotsam refers to the floating debris, wreckage, or refuse from a ship or other watercraft that has been cast overboard or lost at sea. This can include anything from broken equipment and cargo to pieces of the vessel itself. Flotsam can pose a hazard to other ships and marine life and can also wash up on shore, affecting coastal ecosystems and tourism. It is important for ships to properly dispose of their waste and debris to prevent the accumulation of flotsam in the ocean.